Welcome once again to the Karate Training Centers. I'm Coach Marty Martin. I'm here with John Johnson, and we've done a lot of different things for you in the Kenpo Set Karate program. We've shown you a lot of different things. The last segment we talked about blocks as strikes. Now I want to talk about parrying and the difference between blocking and parrying. Blocks should change your opponent's body position. That creates openings. Parries deflect and change the direction of the opponent's force. Let's look at this. John Eddie's in a guard position. I'm in a guard position. Remember, I am a firm believer in boxing. I love boxing skills. I teach them to all my students. I don't do this stuff that's old-fashioned, and I don't do it. Alright, so from position here, from the guard position, the parry guides the force of my opponent's blow, kick, whatever, past me. So from here, I'm guiding that in the direction in which I want it to go. In the beginning, you may struggle with it just a little bit. As you practice, you will be able to actually guide your opponent with a good parry. And you know that I believe in fans. You maybe have even seen some of the techniques that I refer to as techniques from the fans of Kenpo. Alright, now, from position, my parry is my fan, and I'm guiding that. Okay? Now, if you've studied any of my other teachings in the Kenpo style, you remember that the only thing we need to block is the body. This isn't going to hit me, this isn't going to hit me, this outside isn't going to hit me, okay? So even just a simple shift in my body position allows this to go by, and then from that position I can move into my Kenpo movements, right? If I want to guide this in the direction that I want for it to go, I use the fan to deflect and guide. So from position, I'm here. Now, when I use my fans, I don't just gently brush this so that it gently goes by. We're not doing Tai Chi, we're in the Kenpo style. I guide this. I hook, you hear it slap. You'll hear me say slap style in Kenpo. When I slap this, bang, I'm slapping it. I'm trying to take skin off. I am guiding this to where I want it to go, helping to do what? Create changes in their body position. And once I do that, then I can follow up with other Kenpo movements. I can come in with my combination of elbow strikes. I can come in with my combination of hand strikes. I can set chokes. I can move to my stand-up jiu-jitsu. Alright, now let's look at this down the straight line. Okay? I'm in guard. If I body shift, when the punch comes, that's all I need for it to clear me. But if I want to control this better, I want to guide it from here, I use that fan. When that fan comes by, I actually almost hook my fingers over there because now I guide that. Because right from that position now, from there, boom, I'm in with my strike. I'm here with an elbow strike. Don't forget your checks. Okay, don't forget your stance changes, okay? Position is here, boom, look at my lower leg. I've already gone to a modified close kneel stance, check this down, and I'm changing his body position. Same thing on the inside. If I'm here, little body shift and I can miss that punch. Let's shift over and do it again, okay? Now I want you to punch right straight in my face, okay? Just a little bit of a body shift on my part, okay? When I shift my body, I'm creating a little bit of distance, okay? I'm on the inside, so what do I have to worry about? I have to worry about that next punch coming, right? So what do I want to do? I want to change my opponent's body position. And how am I going to do that? Guide and deflect. Okay, where is that punch now? Look at John Eddie's body position. I have pulled him forward, off balance onto his front foot. If I move to my stand-up jiu-jitsu from that position, I can hook from here, execute the takedown, snap this into the wrist lock and control. Okay, I'm in position. Punch comes from here. As I jerk, boom, I have an elbow strike right here. I can elbow, roll in from here, strike from this position, hook from here. Where am I at? Boom. The extension of 7 swords, and we showed that to you before as well, right? deflecting, guiding, changing body position. Those are fundamental things that you need to remember when you parry. The parry is not just brushing something by. The parry is actually slap style. Guide that thing. Make it go. Make him change positions so that you create openings to apply your Kenpo movements. Remember, all those things come out of the fans of Kenpo Set Karate.